we're gonna do one more fast one for you. Then we're gonna do a slow one right after this. One more slow one for the night. All right. Come on, y'all, put your hands together. When I walk into the room, pass out $100 bills and it kills and it thrills like the horns on my Silverado grill. I find the bar double around the crown, and everybody's getting down, let's down. Ain't never gonna be the same. And I saw the horse ride into the city, make a lot of noise, cause these girls got big old titties. Riding up and down Broadway on my own Sunday morning, I goes, save a horse, riding cowboy. Y'all scream, save a horse, riding cowboy. Well, I don't give a damn about nothing while I'm singing and I'm swinging while the girls are drinking. Low decks down, I wouldn't trade on foot my Chevrolet or Escalade or Freak Parade. I'm home and John Wayne, love is town. Sail up a horse, ride into the city, make a lot of noise, love the girls with big old titties. Riding up and down Broadway, my old Sunday boy, and the girls say, save a horse, riding cowboy, and I'll scream, save a horse, riding cowboy. Oh, oh. I was over in the twins, she said the back of my truck beds, I was getting buzzed on suds, on some Blackberry and Halloween. Flying high, fine as wine, having myself a gun-slinging time, and we's gonna find his fire, and she let me go. But her evaluation of my gun-slinging situation had me begging for salvation all night long. I took her out gigging frogs in addition to my